Alright guys, today I have for you the new IS11BT05 Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. It's a pretty cool device if you find yourself away from a traditional keyboard and mouse. If you, for example, like to surf from the couch or from your bed when you're laying down, this is a great device to have. Here I have for you, this is exactly how it came. A pretty nice little package. It's good for anyone at any level of of technological savviness. So if you're not the most tech savvy person, it has a little pamphlet that comes with it that shows you pretty much every step. There's 6 steps that you would need to connect it to your computer, your tablet, your phone, whatever you use that can use a keyboard and trackpad. This also includes like smart TVs. Okay, so if you have a television where you can like look up YouTube videos, or you have a Netflix account hooked up to it, you can use this instead of using your remote controller. And have to search through every letter to make up a word. Let's say you're looking for a movie or whatnot. It's pretty cool, man, and the quality of the device too. I've been using it for a few days. I wanted to use it actually before I put the video out. It's good, man. It fits right in. If you have like a little station for your remotes, it fits right there. It's about the size of a regular smartphone, so it's not too big. Here on the screen, I'm showing you just what the steps look like. There's a customer service email too, so don't be afraid if you feel like you're new. If you just bought your first computer, your first tablet, you wouldn't know how to set it up. Believe me, it's very easy. It's pretty straightforward. It comes with a little charging cable too, so you don't have to buy batteries. One of the big reasons why I have a mouse that is wired is because I just hate having to buy so many batteries over and over again consistently, and my mouse, my Bluetooth mouse just runs through those things. So having a little wired, wireless keyboard that you can recharge like a phone is ideal for someone like me who just hates having to buy batteries consistently. And it also comes like in this little plastic container. It's not meant to be a case, but if you don't want it just to be laying around, or you have pets, maybe you want to keep it in the container. So this gave me an idea. I'm gonna be keeping it in here until I find a place to put it. That's a bit more secure. Just upon feeling this thing, I mean, I bought it for $30, for a little under $30. So I wasn't expecting for it to have a good quality feel to it, but it actually did. I was surprised by that. It feels like, for those of you back in 2005, 2006, there was a phone called the Sidekick 3, that T-Mobile had. If this feels just like the Sidekick 3 keyboard, the QWERTY keyboard feels exactly like my Sidekick keyboard felt. So it brought back memories just upon touching the damn thing. Now here you have the trackpad on the right. Okay, so you're not gonna get the same trackpad feel, let's say from your Apple device. Like if you have an Apple trackpad, this is not going to replace your Apple trackpad. So if you want to know like about how much it weighs, I know that in the description of the device it'll tell you, but it weighs like what a mouse weighs, what your average PC or Mac mouse weighs. It's pretty light. Like kind of like an old flip phone feel to it. The plastic feels like one of those old Motorola flip phones. It's about the size of a calculator, or again your smartphone. If you have an iPhone 6, this is it right next to my regular Mac keyboard and mouse, and that's basically it. I mean, it's a great device if you're moving around the house, if you have multiple devices, especially a smart TV, just get it. You will not be disappointed.